Hi guys, welcome to this video lesson. In this video lesson, we'll be looking at this question we have here. This is an ASVAB test question involving quadratic equations. Here we are told to solve for b in b squared minus 18b plus 81 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. A quadratic equation is an equation of the second degree. What does this mean? An equation of the second degree means the highest exponent of the equation is 2. Solving for b means finding the value of b that makes the left side of this equation equal to 0. So since we have a maximum exponent of 2, this means that we're expecting b to have 2 possible values. But this does not mean that d is a wrong answer because we only have one value for b. Okay, you need to go through the calculation for you to find out the correct answer. So when solving quadratic equations, there are different methods you can use. You can use the factoring method, the formula method, and the completing the square method. But for this particular video, we're going to be using the factoring method. In the factoring method, we're expected to factorize the left side of this equation. If you don't know how to factorize, I'll be creating a video lesson on factorization of algebraic expression next after this particular video. So you can check it out and then you learn how to factorize. So let's go ahead to solve the question. While solving a quadratic equation, the first thing you need to remember is all quadratic equations are written in the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay? Though we have x squared, but x squared and b squared, they are the same thing. A is the coefficient of x squared. In this case, a is the coefficient of b squared. Here we have x, which is the same thing as b, okay? That means b here is the coefficient of b here, which is minus 18. And then c is the number that does not have any variable attached to it. So in this question, our c is plus 81. So let's write those values. A is equal to, the coefficient of b squared here is 1. B is equal to, the coefficient of b here is minus 18. And c is plus 81. Good. So we have written these three important values. We're going to look for two numbers that will multiply themselves to give us AC, and those same two numbers will add themselves to give us B. So what is AC? AC is 1 times plus 81, which is plus 81. And our B is minus 18, so minus 18. Okay, so we are looking for two numbers that will multiply themselves to give us plus 81. And also, those same two numbers have to add themselves to give us minus 18. So first, let's start with the multiplication. Let's write all the numbers that will multiply themselves to give us plus 81. We have plus 1 times plus 81. If you multiply them, they are going to give you plus 81. Minus 1 times minus 81. These two numbers will also multiply themselves to give you plus 81. We have plus 9 times plus 9. Plus 9 times plus 9 is going to give us plus 81. Minus 9 times minus 9. These two values will also multiply themselves to give us plus 81. But among these sets of numbers, which of them will add themselves to give us minus 18? Plus 1 plus 81 is going to give us plus 82. Minus 1 minus 81 is going to give us minus 82. Plus 9 is going to give us plus 18. Minus 9 minus 9 is going to give us minus 18. So this is the combination we are looking for. So what are we going to do with this combination? So we're going to use these two numbers to replace minus 18b. Let's see how we're going to do it. So we're going to have b squared minus, instead of having minus 18b, we're going to have minus 9b and then minus 9b plus 81 is equal to 0. So we have replaced minus 18b with minus 9b minus 9b. If you look at it, minus 9b is also going to give you minus 18b. So, but the reason we did this is so that we can split this expression into two parts. This will help us factorize by grouping. You can also check my YouTube channel for how to factorize by grouping. Okay. So if you look at this, you're going to see that you can factorize these two together, and you can also factorize these two together. So let's factorize b squared minus 9b. What is common here is b. So we have b bracket b squared divided by b is going to give us b. Minus 9b divided by b is going to give us minus 9. You bring this minus sign down. 9b and 81, what is common? 9 is common. You open the bracket. Minus 9b divided by minus 9. Minus divided by minus is going to give you plus. 9 divided by 9 is going to give you 1. B divided by, there's no b here, so we have b. Plus divided by minus is minus. 81 divided by 9 is 9. If you're on the right track, you discover that whatever you have in this parenthesis is what you're going to have in this other parenthesis. So once you confirm that those two parentheses have the same values, you pick the values outside the parenthesis, b minus 9, and then you pick either of the two values in the parenthesis, b minus 9 is equal to 0. So we can go further to say that b minus 9 is equal to 0, or this other value, b minus 9 is equal to 0. So if you move minus 9 to the right, it's going to become a positive. So we can simply say b is equal to 9, or b is equal to 9. So this shows that the two possible values for b is 9. That means option D is the correct option. So we have been able to solve for b in this quadratic equation using the factoring method. Very simple. If you enjoyed the video, please like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more math content. See you in the next video. Bye.